Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Wagner-Mervin rearrangement reaction. So let's start. Now this reaction involves change in carbon skeleton. Change in carbon skeleton through rearrangement of carbocation. Through rearrangement of carbocation as an intermediate. नो ये स्टेटमेंट है, इसको और अच्छे से समझना है तो आई विल गिव यू रिएक्शन. नाउ सी द रिएक्शन हियर. इफ आई गिव यू neopentyl bromide, see the neopentyl bromide structure is like this way: CH3, 2 methyl, 1 above 1 below, then we got a CH2 Br. Now here I am adding aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH. The expected product is neopentyl alcohol. This is the expected product, but we don't get this. We get something else. We get here. See the mechanism, and then I will give you the product. Now there is going to be the loss of leaving group. So Br minus will leave the system, and we are getting something called as primary carbocation CH2 positive. So this is the primary carbocation. Now there is a possibility of tertiary carbocation. If we do methyl shift, ये मिथाइल जो यहाँ पे है इसको मैंने इसके ऊपर शिफ्ट किया. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग हियर, आई एम गेटिंग टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटायन. So once you got a tertiary carbocation, now the OH minus can make an attack over this carbon, and we can have a product. The product is going to be this CH3 CH3 CH2 CH3 OH. Are you getting 2-methyl butane 2-ol? So this is the product, 2-methyl butane 2-ol. So this is your product. So we were expecting this. Apart from this, we can have a one more. So once you got this intermediate, there is going to be deprotonation. And always deprotonation happens from beta carbon. So this is an alpha carbon, the carbocation. This is beta, CH2 is beta, and that methyl is also beta. So we'll take out that beta which is having less number of hydrogen. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उस कार्बन का हाइड्रोजन लेते हैं जिसके पास कम नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन होता है. So if you see on the right hand side there is a CH2, and the left hand side there is a CH3. So we'll take a CH2. So this can give you this product, CH3 C double bond CH bond CH3, and there is going to be already methyl present here. So 2-methyl butene, this can be the product, 2-methyl butene. This is another product which can obtain. Now if you see another example of this particular rearrangement reaction, if I give you CH3, that is neopentyl alcohol. I had given you neopentyl bromide, now neopentyl alcohol, and you just heat it in the presence of H2SO4. So what can be the product here? So we are able to get the two product here. I'm just writing the name of that, 2-methyl butene and 2-methyl but1ene. Now see which one is major product and which is minor product. So when you draw this CH3 CH3 double bond CH bond CH3, so this is the major product. Why this is major product? Because it is having total 9 alpha hydrogen. So what is 9 alpha hydrogen? I will tell you, just hold on. Now here we got a 2-methyl but1ene. So if you draw its structure CH3C, if you just, we have to make it CH2, CH2 double bond C bond CH3 bond CH2 CH3. If you look at this, you have to just put the कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड इनटू द बॉक्स एंड उसके बगल वाले कार्बन का हाइड्रोजन काउंट करना. तो इसके बगल में ये है और ये है, तो कितना हो रहा है 3 और ये 2 5. इट इज़ हैविंग 5 अल्फा. यहाँ पे कितने आ रहे थे टोटल? ये डबल बॉन्ड वाले को आपने बॉक्स में रख दिया, तो ये CH3 है, ये CH3 है और ये ऊपर वाला CH3, टोटल 9. सो दिस इज द मेजर प्रोडक्ट एंड दिस इज द माइनर प्रोडक्ट. Are you getting? So this is something, the product. If I give you the one application that is important, इसका ही एक application मैं देता हूँ आपको. See, if you draw the structure like this, and there is a, this is cyclohexane only, and there is a breach and there is a 2-methyl group, so 1 methyl here. So it is called as isoborneol. This is called as isoborneol. We'll put it here OH. isoborneol के अंदर अगर आपने ऐड कर दिया H2SO4 and आपने इसको हीट किया, so this is going to give you camphene, and camphene looks like this. Okay, this is double bond CH2 and this is 2-methyl. This is called as a camphene. This question has been asked in competitive exam. So this is all about the Wagner-Melvin rearrangement reaction. Thank you.